So I just bought this boat a few months ago, and this is our first time taking it out on the water actually. And I had to buy an anchor because it came with no anchor. I know a lot of people like these anchors and that's what they're using, but I've had a good experience on my previous boat with the 3-tab river anchors. Our lake is a soft bottom, sandy and muddy bottomed lake, and this worked really well. I had an 18 footer before that had a 15-pound 3-tab river anchor, and between my boat and other friends that have used these, I've noticed that this worked better than that one. And actually some of my other friends are buying and bought these after they saw how these ones work. So this one is by Greenfield. Bought it off Amazon, of course. Where else would you buy it? And this is a 30-pound anchor. It's really heavy, but at the same time it's small, as in it will fit in this anchor bay on this boat. I've seen other boats that the anchor bays are different and you will not be able to fit this thing in there, as in other boats, as the Yamahas. I think if you go on Amazon, there's the sizing on there. This thing is 19.5 inches. I could be wrong. I'm gonna take the measurements, and I'll probably write the measurements down in the description so that you see exactly how big this thing is, and I'll show you how it will fit in this cubby. But I want to attach the line, chain and wire, and the line to this thing, and I wanted to show you how I safety all of that. There's my shackle and stuff. Okay, so I really don't want to lose this anchor. It wasn't super expensive, but still, you don't want to lose anchors. This is a Loctite. It's a red Loctite. It's a high strength Loctite that will go on the threads. So this should lock the threads really good. Put a little dab there. So, shackle through. Okay. There. And then there is a hole that goes through that bolt, and that hole is there for safetying the bolt, and I'll be using safety wire. I work in the aviation field, so we have these available. Also, I have the safety wire plier. Obviously a lot of people won't have this. It's kind of a specialty tool for the aviation business, but you can either twist these by hand or use any kind of other pliers, but I'm used to this, and because I actually have it, I'm going to use this. So wire goes through the eye of the bolt. I'm going to put a couple of twists on here. There. And we safety it to the shackle itself. There. I'll finish it off. This safety wire is really an overkill, honestly, especially the size of this thing. This is what I've had available right now in the house. This is a 41,000 safety wire. It's a little bit too much, but it is what it is. Now that I have it, put a little pigtail on there and tuck it in. there. And there's that. That should not come loose anytime soon. And now that I have this done, I will show you how this will fit into this anchor compartment. So let's step up here. I hope the camera is all good. Okay, so I've seen on the newer models there's this fiberglass goes back here, and there's only a little slit of access for that the other style anchor that will go slide down. And I think you actually have to buy a specific anchor from Yamaha that will fit in here. On the old ones, I think it goes somehow like this. Well, I'm not using that one, but I'm using this, and the way this one fits, this one tab goes under this slip and then goes right in there. And there's that. Anchor is in and installed. Well, the line is not completely installed yet, but as you can see, there's an eye down there, and I'm gonna get that the line hooked onto that. But yeah, I wanted to show this because I've been doing research to see if these river anchors will fit into this hole, and I wasn't sure. I went ahead and bought it. There was some measurements on there, and I measured this in the way I knew that I'm gonna be able to pull that tab under here and fit it in. And taking it out is like that, and there's that. So we're about to take this boat out to the lake. I'm probably gonna make it. Okay.
Oh, I forgot an anchor! No way. It was under. I forgot an anchor. Where are you gonna tie it? Oh. Yay.
So here we are, the anchor is set. It is really windy today, and it's holding perfectly. That's the 30-foot 3-tab river anchor. So it's perfect size for this boat, and this is really windy conditions. So yep, if you like this video and helped you in any way, don't be a stranger, you know what to do.